Okay, so you're curious about setmore and whether it can handle multiple bookings. That's a great question, and I'm here to help you find the answer. Before we dive into that, let's talk about why you might want to book multiple appointments at once. Maybe you're a service provider who offers packages or sessions, or perhaps you're a business owner trying to fill up your calendar efficiently. Whatever the reason, being able to book multiple appointments in one go can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, can you book multiple appointments on setmore? The answer is yes. In fact, setmore makes it easy to book multiple appointments for the same client or for different clients at the same time. Here's how to do it. Go to your setmore calendar and click on the New Booking button. Enter the client's name and contact information. Select the service or package that the client wants to book. Choose the date and time for the appointment. If the client wants to book multiple appointments, click on the Add Another Appointment button. Repeat steps 3 to 5 until the client has booked all of the appointments they need. Click on the Confirm Booking button. That's it. You've successfully booked multiple appointments on setmore. In addition to booking multiple appointments, setmore also allows you to create custom booking forms, send automated booking confirmations and reminders, accept online payments, track your appointments and cancellations, and much more. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use appointment booking software, setmore is a great option. Give it a try today and see how it can help you save time and grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to use setmore. Until next time, happy booking.